Now, Champtech Incorporated proudly presents the VM300, the ultimate portable tool designed specifically for dimensioning in logistics. VM300 features a magnetic design, allowing it to easily attach to mobile phones or PDAs for seamless operation. Equipped with Bluetooth and USB-C connectivity, it ensures instant data transmission anytime, anywhere. The smart guiding aimer and reading zone detection ensure precise measurements every time. Whether you're measuring cuboid packages or irregular shapes, the VM300 delivers accurate results. It delivers 2,500 reads per charge and can run up to 24 hours with a portable charger. The VM300 supports Bluetooth and USB Type-C. It is an ideal solution for parcel pickup, warehouses, and logistics.